Okay. So, checkpoint for a pit stop. And now we're going to take you for a walk down to. I hope my voice is coming through. Thanks to Sammy. I bought wireless mics, but they won't pair with my phone. And Sam's got a cheap pair. Two mics, actually, that paired perfectly with my phone and better for audio. I try not to get the girls on camera here because people don't like being filmed. Like, if you're just walking down the street, you know, you should expect that somebody might have a camera at some point. But the boys, they love talking to the camera for the most part. Hard Rock Cafe. Sosua Inn and Bailey's, which is one of my haunts, especially if you want a vanilla milkshake. There's not too many places I've found in town here that do a good vanilla milkshake. Bailey's, and if you're lucky, Marlene will wait on you, and she's an 8.9 to 9 in my eyes. Beautiful girl. There's Bailey's. Maybe I should go get my hair cut. Make a little bit of a diversion. What do you think? ¿Yo necesito? It's a little warm. Asian girls don't like being on camera. Hola, mi hermano. ¿Dónde está Roberto? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está Roberto? Ah, ok. No, no cigarero.
¿Es marihuana?
No, no. Yo tengo.
¿Tiene?
Yo tengo bueno.
Yo tengo sembrado en mi casa, ya quiere.
My brother, everything good?
Time to see you, bro.
Everything's good, brother. Yeah, good to see you. It's my boy Roberto. Cambio, cambio. Poco calor, ¿eh? ¿Dónde comprar Capital? Cigarero.
Allí.
¿Ya?
Conmigo, ven, a 100 pesos la caja, ven.
Ah, bueno, 100 pesos. 100 pesos. Chipi, chipi.
Barato, amigo. ¿Dónde tú vives aquí?
¿Ah?
¿Dónde vives aquí?
Sí, yo vivo aquí 5 años. Yo vivo en Caribe Campo.
Trabajaba en Caribe Campo cuando tenía 17
Yo vendo casa, no vendo no comida para mí.
años. Yo trabajaba allá en el hotel. Ten cuidado ahí. Cooney, déjame 5 cajas de capital ahí. ¿Cuánto que quiere?
¿Es ok en la cámara? Video. ¿No problema? Ok. ¿Cuál es tu nombre, amigo?
Mi nombre es Wilber.
Wilber.
Castillo. I'm the VIP on the street.
VIP
So you got
on the
Cigar over here. You got the Blue Pill. You got the Cialis. You got the Mambo. You got the Souvenir. Everything. How many cigars you want?
Dos. 100.
Así es.
100 pesos.
Sí.
Bueno.
Bueno, venga a ver la blue pill.
Nuevo cliente para ti.
Sí, mira la cajita
Ajá.
para
The
friki
blue
friki.
pill.
Sí,
Okay.
barata. Para friki friki. Yo me gané una cajita por la promoción, ¿verdad?
No problema para mí. No mujer, no problema.
Yo digo, ¿tú entendiste? Yo me gané una cajetilla para mí, pero yo... ¿Está bien?
Oh, sí.
Dame una cajita por la promoción. 3.
Oh, I gotta buy you one, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Get what?
Here, hang
I
on
did
to
the promotion.
Okay.
He's Mr. Cooney. He's Cooney in the house. He's the owner of the store.
Okay, no problem.
Cooney in the house. He's the
No,
owner
you
of the
don't
store.
need the whole.
And look, we got all the souvenir over here. Ven pa Sosúa. Tenemos de todo un poco. Sosúa.
2 for you, 1 for me.
Yeah.
No, 1 for you, two for me, 1 for you. Ay, bandito.
¿Cómo se llama el turismo de ahora?
Oh, comisión, sí.
Sí, negociante.
Negociante.
Gracias.
Okay, muchas gracias, mi hermano.
The part when I talk about we don't record that shit.
No, that's okay.
Cooney,
No.
hablamos.
Thank you, Cooney. Muchas gracias. Wilbar. Muchas gracias.
What's your name?
Jimmy.
Jimmy, thank you.
Yeah, you're
Found
welcome.
me in from the Bailey in a supermarket and from the Popular Bank.
Yeah.
I'm a motorcycle driver.
Okay.
I help the people with everything.
You got a card?
No, I'm not so professional like that. American people normally they know me.
You on WhatsApp?
Yeah. No, but I don't have my bike now. I'm going to mechanic.
Okay.
I have my bike. You follow me over
I
there.
need your number, your WhatsApp number.
No, I don't have
Okay.
it.
Wilbur.
Over there. I don't have no phone now. I'm
Okay.
over it now.
All right.
Go ahead, come on, come on.
Check you later, mi hermano. You know, I don't mind paying the commission. Like, I smoke a certain type of cigarette. They're not legal here, so. There's the Capital. And I don't know where to buy them always without driving, you know, out of my way. George usually has them. But when you run out downtown and you're on foot, and a guy shows you where to buy them, hey, he's got to negotiate a commission for himself. He says, well, yeah, hermano, que lo que? My brother, you good? Mucho tiempo no te veo, ¿eh? Mucho trabajo? Mucho calor. Yeah. Okay, I'll check you later, brother. When you when you introduce yourself, it's mi hermano all the time. Hold on. Then they start saying to you, my brother, in English. You know, I always say, ¿qué lo que, mi hermano? Mi hermano, ¿qué lo que? Wah. But yeah, no, I said it to so many people that they know now. They don't say mi hermano. They say, my brother. Hola. Looks like. Is my guy working today? I'll pop in to see Blade. I don't see his bike today. Is that it? No. ¿Dónde está Blade? No aquí? Okay. I'm not. You're not on the fucking camera. Watch your mouth.
No so fucking camera for me.
I'm not.
No.
You're not on the camera. Take it easy. It's pointed this way. Are you over there? Okay. Jesus. See? The illegal girls don't like to be on the camera. Uh-huh. So no haircut for me today. Hola, mi hermano. Todo bien. So back to the original plan. Casa Marina Beach. Everything good, brother? I thought that was you sitting here. I don't want to put you on camera with all your. Every time I put somebody on camera, they're like, "Don't take my picture." The girls, they don't want to talk. Everything good? How's business? Yeah, slowing a little bit. You done all the renovations? Yeah. Beautiful. I'll come back. We'll do another tour one day and get some video. Okay. Good to see you, my brother. Lorenzo, this is New Garden Hotel. Some new rooms here. And because everything's for sale, ciao, amigo. You never know where the next deal's coming from. Could be a high income producing hotel downtown Sosua. You know, with parking and some land across the street as well. This is the corner where you find my boy Roberto. Aquí. Straight ahead is Alicia Beach. Nice beach, but because we put Billy's ashes down on Casa Marina Beach, that's where I'm headed today. Because we did this walk all the way down from Rio de Campo to the beach, and I'm putting some miles on it today. You saw it later. I'm walking, well, years now, like walk. So, and I'm due for another video here at Casa Marina, another walkthrough of the resort. I've got one up on the channel, but I like to get it updated. And we're going to actually do a broadcast from Grand Vitana soon. Oscar's the GM down there. He's got connections back in Canada. Well, he's Canadian, but Dominican. And he's the GM down there. We're going to do a live broadcast remote from Grand Vitana soon, now that low season's here. So Spanky's is a legendary bar down here owned by Canadians. It's a crew hanging out at the baseball field, developing kids here early. Anyway, Spanky's is known for their stiff pours. You have a couple rum and cokes at Spanky's, you know it. Small glasses. The majority is alcohol. Just a little color or flavor with the mix. But legendary for stiff pour. So this is Casa Marina. We just walked by. Used to be the Que Lo Que restaurant across the way here. And the first street to the left, when you're walking by Casa Marina on your left, is, where's the street signs? Well, it's not like North America. Do you see a street sign on there? Oh, there it is. Lo Martinez. I have to get the street sign. I mean, I can check it on the map. Hey, yo. Okay, David Stern, that's it. David Stern. Martinez. So if you turn left here at that corner, this will take you down to Spanky's on the right hand side. Don Andres, the key. Got some decent rooms here, poolside on the main drag. Not the main drag, but it runs parallel to Pedro Clasante, which is the main drag. Voila. Shit, it's getting hot. It's probably 1 o'clock now. And, no, gracias.